Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gurdeep Singh, Senior Consultant Orthopedics and Joint Replacement, Manipal Hospital, Gurgaon. I am here to give a small talk on total knee replacement, and if I can clear a few misconceptions about total knee replacement, I think the talk will have been successful. So first of all, what exactly is a knee replacement? Knee replacement में कहीं बाहर से लाकर किसी का जोड़ नहीं लगाया जाता. The joint is still your own. God has given us a smooth joint like this. This is a joint between the thigh bone and the leg bone. जैसे एज के साथ बाल सफ़ेद होते हैं, उसी तरह जोड़ घिसना शुरू होते हैं due to wear and tear. With age, the joint cartilage starts getting denuded and thinned out. Once the cartilage is quite thinned out, it starts becoming painful. That is the stage when you need some intervention. Not every knee pain needs surgery. Not every knee pain needs knee replacement. First of all, you should consult your doctor. X-rays लिए जाएंगे, MRI will be taken if needed, and only then you will be advised the proper course of action, which in some cases might be just medicines and physiotherapy. Only if it is an advanced osteoarthritis does it need a knee replacement. So what exactly do in a knee replacement? Knee replacement में we just replace the surface 8 mm of your thigh bone and surface 8 mm of the leg bone. That is all that is there to a knee replacement. The knee joint is still your own. Another misconception is, I am too old for a knee replacement. So remember, this is a surgery of the elderly. 25 साल के आदमी का ना घुटना खराब होता है, ना उसे knee replacement की सर्जरी चाहिए होती है. So knee replacement is done in patients who are generally above the age of 55 or 60. There is no contraindication to this surgery. Weight is not a contraindication. We do surgeries even in patients who are above 120 kilos. So that is not a contraindication. What is done after the surgery? Earlier people used to believe that after a knee replacement you are bedridden for weeks or months. Now with good anesthesia, with good cutting instruments, with good surgical techniques, we do not cut the muscle of the knee, we go underneath the muscle. So rehabilitation is much faster. We make the patient sit the next day after surgery, we make the patient walk the next day after surgery. Generally for about 2 to 3 weeks after surgery, you are allowed to walk with a walker or with a stick. After 2 to 3 weeks, once you are confident about your new knee, you can walk without any problem. You can climb stairs as soon as you are comfortable. The stitches come out in around 2 weeks of time. Too much of physiotherapy is not required, contrary to popular misconception. The only physiotherapy that you need is bending your knee and straightening your knee, muscle strengthening exercises. So you are up and about in about 2 to 3 weeks, and by about 3 to 4 weeks you are back to almost your normal routine. There is no blood loss because we do this surgery under a tourniquet. So routine mein we do not transfuse any blood to a knee replacement patient. These surgeries are quite painless. They are done under epidural spinal anesthesia. So post-op pain relief is also taken care of. And now we have newer advances such as computer assisted and navigated total knee replacement, which make it more error-free, more accurate, and the success rate is even higher. So I hope I have cleared a few of your misconceptions about total knee replacement. Thank you.